Hello, this lesson is based on Unit 2 of your Pupils Text. And now in this lesson, we'll be learning what a system is. Functions of a system. The components in a system. How these components interact in a system. Differences between a general system and an information system. And also differences between the manual and the computer-based information systems. Now let's understand what a system is. Now look at this. This is a system. It is in an environment. This system interacts with the environment. That means it has input. The system has input from the environment. Also, whatever thing that processes inside will be the output and it will be released to the environment. There are closed systems also, but for your lessons, you will need this much. So we'll come to know about the other things about the system. Now look at this. It has a boundary. You see? And also there are components that interacts with each other. And these components have relationships. That's why they are interacting with each other. Every system has a cause to accomplish. That means an objective to accomplish. So to do that objective, to have that objective accomplished, that means the output of it, there is a process in this system. Let's look at this system. It's a natural system, our respiratory system. It has an objective. Look at this. It obtains oxygen from the environment. When we inhale, when we exhale, the carbon dioxide produced in our body will be released. Now look at this system. This is the education system. It also has an objective to produce responsible, worthwhile, just citizens to the society. So there also there's an input and also there's an output. There's a process in this. This is a natural system. This is an artificial system. It's a man-made system. So now you know what a system is. A system is a collection of components that interact with each other to achieve a specific task or an objective. Let's say the function of a system. It is the input, process, and output. In your book, these three are mentioned as the elements of a system or the three basic components of a system. Now you know what a system is. Then what's an information system? It also has input, process and output as the function of it. But this accepts data as its input and processes on it and then outputs information. Now we can have a definition. Look at this. A system which accepts data as input and converts this data into information is an information system. Information systems are of two types, manual information systems and computer-based information systems. Now let's consider manual information systems first. All the tasks relevant to this storing of information is done manually, error-prone because of human weaknesses. Less efficient data processing, of course, because people are working, so there can be errors, and also to store data, retrieve data, it takes a lot of time. And we need a lot of space to keep these things stored. You can see from this picture also how the files are kept in these file cabinets. Security of data. Anybody can access these files. Let's imagine that we kept these things in a room locked. Although it is so, termites can harm this. Rodents, fire, they all can harm the data. Now let's come to computer-based information systems. Now when we compare with the manual systems, minimal errors. There we have to consider about the data that we input. If we input rubbish, the rubbish will be the output also. Garbage in, garbage out. That's what we know. Now, efficient data processing. It won't take a lot of time to store data, to process data, or to retrieve data. and we need a small space to store all these things. Data is secured there because we can have passwords and also we can have backups. The lesson was very easy, wasn't it? And what's our next topic? System development process. Let's meet with this. Have a nice day.